Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This logo design you can download on my blog. A link for my blog will be under the video in video description. This template is in 4K, so I recommend you to use graphics card with 8 GB of video memory. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. And then take the logo design number 7, connect to the media out, wait few seconds to render, and then you will get the logo. And when you scroll to the 60 frame or more, you will see the stars. These stars are animated. And now let me show you. I will delete this one because I have 4K here. As you can see here, this template is massive. When I zoom it to the maximum, it can barely fit inside this window. First, let me start from the bottom, and here this one is the background, and then you will get the text. So I will zoom in. You will get two texts. This small one is small text, and then this large one is the big text. Just write something else when you change it. Movement up and down, left and right is I did in this is these three merges, and then as you can see here is I have 4 parts. This one particle emitter is for the stars. This one, this is the main light. This big effect is I made it with a bunch of nodes. I will not go through all because this will take maybe 1 hour to explain. You will have to figure out yourself. Then you will get these five flares, these shining stars, or however you want to call it. I done with merges, and then opacity adjusted a little bit so it doesn't shine all the same, and then join here in the merge. If you want it brighter here, then you can turn it on if you wish. Let me show you full screen. One aspect ratio 1:1 is resolution is 3840 by 3840. As you can see here, it really takes a while to render, and this is the full picture. If you want for video, then you could just take the media out in 4K with the background 3840 2160. and this one and this one are these squares. These squares are made with a rectangle, and then go inside the background, transform and move, and then I use the duplicate for the other side, and then here you see the border. Actually you cannot see because it takes massive amount of time to render, but first one is this thick one, and then the border. You see this border here, and then again next one is this, and then this one is the border, and then on so on and so on and so on. That's basically it. If you have some questions, you can ask me under the video. But I have to warn you, don't use a 4K file because it will take over 1 hour to render. It took me more than 55 minutes to render on 8-core CPU with Radeon RX 580, 8 gigabytes of video memory. RAM usage is not so much with the system, and this template is roughly 8 gigabytes. So if you have 16 gigabytes or more, you should be fine. All right, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.